To stake Phantom Wallet Import Wallet, you need to follow a series of steps carefully. First, you need to understand what Phantom Wallet is. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Solana tokens. To begin, go to the Phantom Wallet website and click on the download button to install the wallet as a browser extension. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser to open the wallet. Next, you will see the option to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Since you want to import a wallet, click on the Import Wallet option. You will be asked to enter your seed phrase, which is a list of words that serves as the password to your wallet. Enter the seed phrase carefully, as any mistake can result in loss of access to your wallet. After entering the seed phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you can remember easily. Once you have entered the password, click on the Import button to import your wallet. Now that you have imported your wallet, you can stake your Solana tokens. To do this, go to the Stake tab in your Phantom Wallet. You will see a list of validators that you can stake with. Choose a validator that you trust and click on the Stake button. You will be asked to enter the amount of Solana tokens you want to stake. Enter the amount carefully, as staking tokens means you will not be able to use them until the staking period is over. Once you have entered the amount, click on the Stake button to complete the staking process. It is essential to note that staking Solana tokens involves some risks, such as the risk of validator slashing or the risk of losing your tokens if you forget your seed phrase or password. Therefore, it is crucial to do your research and understand the risks involved before staking your tokens. In conclusion, staking Phantom Wallet Import Wallet is a straightforward process that involves installing the Phantom Wallet, importing your existing wallet, and staking your Solana tokens with a validator of your choice. Always remember to do your research and understand the risks involved before staking your tokens to avoid any potential losses.